Welcome back, everybody. Today we're going to be talking about the Toyota 1MZFE engine. It's a 3.0 liter engine that can be found in your 1993 to your 2005 Toyota Camrys all the way up into the Siennas.
Yes, the MZ engine family is a family of V6 engines featuring an all-aluminum design. These engines were made with lighter weight parts than the heavier duty VZ engine family, which was Toyota's way of creating lightweight engines without sacrificing reliability.
Now, despite being on Ward's Best Engine list in 1996, this engine did have some oiling issues. They call it oil sludge or oil gelling.
And we have resolved those problems during the remanufacturing process. However, as always, we do recommend keeping up with your regularly scheduled maintenance.
So if you have any questions about your Toyota engine or any other engine, give us a call at
888-842-0023, and we'll be more than happy to help you.